Hello, how are you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to create bootable USB drive for Windows 7, 8 and 10. I will show you with Windows 10, but other version are also same as Windows 10. First of all, we need Windows 10 ISO file. If you have a Windows 10 ISO file, that's cool. If you don't have Windows 10 ISO file, don't worry. I'll put the link in the description below. It is free for download. My operating system is 64-bit, so I can download it from here. If your operating system is 32-bit, you can download it. Now you have a Windows 10 ISO file. You also need a software which is called Rufus. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description for download. Finally, you need a USB drive with minimum 8 GB memory. By the way, you can also try with 4 GB USB drive. You know, Windows 10 ISO file almost 4 GB, so it might not work. So my recommendation is 8 GB. Now back to Rufus. Rufus, we have boot section. Select disk or ISO image. Now once it is selected, go to select option and click on it. After that, look where is your Windows ISO file. It could be in your download or wherever you have saved. You just have to locate your Windows ISO file. When you have located your ISO file, select it and hit open. Another option, partition scheme. This is really important. If you have select wrong partition scheme, it will not get installed. First, you check your device partition scheme. For example, I go to search and type create and format hard disk partition. Click on it. I have two disks. We can see it's coming. Is my hard drive. So select disk or I'm just going to right click and then select properties. After that, go into the volumes. Now you can see partition style. In my case, it's MBR. That means I have MBR type hard drive. If you have GPT, then you have to select GPT. So you have to check your drive. Okay, back to Rufus and select MBR. And everything else just leave default. You don't have to change anything. Now you are ready. Just click on start and it will make your Windows 10 bootable USB drive. Let me show you. Start and it will show you warning. Just click OK. You can see it is creating. Once it will done, it will say completed. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy it. I will put all the necessary link in the description below. See you soon. Bye bye.